Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks functional planner. I do have a Hobonichi Weeks journal and I'll link the video down below. So here I'm just going to show you some of the materials that we will be using for today. And I'm also going to be using this deco sticker. And the reason I'm using this is because this is quite a special week, and I'll tell you more about that later as we progress with this plan with me. So here I'm showing you my favorite pen, the 𝒕𝒊𝒔 fountain pen in EF nib, and the ink that I'm using is Pearl Noir. So here I'm starting with sectioning my pages, and it's actually going to be sectioned a little differently from the last time. I'll link that video down below as well, my last plan with me. And here I'm just deepening the lines of the daily section, and then I'm extending that section onto the right side of the page. I kind of missed showing you this sticker sheet, and this is dot washi stickers from Daiso. I'm using the largest ones on top of the dates and the smaller ones within the page. So here I'm just marking some video uploads. I do upload 3 times a week. That would be Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And if you'd like to see more plan with me, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So I'm using the highlights or the brush pen as highlights, similar to what I did the last time. So I have my schedule, my little section, as well as my task lists. That is a running task list without any specific days. So I'm also highlighting just beside the smaller dot stickers, and I'm writing the titles or the types of videos that I will be uploading on those days. Next, I'll be highlighting again, and with a different pen this time that kind of matches the header color but with a little bit of a difference. And I'm just using my favorite fountain pen to write down my schedule. So the reason that this is a very special week is because it is the start of my recreational leave, as well as my husband's birthday, which is very exciting. It's his 2nd birthday here in Australia. And then I'm also going to divide the right side of the page once again, and I'm going to be placing on that section my this week little summary of sorts. So I'm taking my dot stickers once again, and I'm just using those gray dot washi dots, and I'm writing my priorities, my favorites, and something I'm looking forward to for this week. I'm not going to be writing a lot of things here because my husband may be watching this video and I don't want to spoil anything for his birthday. So here I just used the first of the deco stickers, and it is quite huge, so it makes a lot of impact. But as you can see, I've chosen a sticker or sticker sheet that has very muted colors. It just has a lot of yellow, a little bit of orange, and a little bit of pink. And here I cut them down to size. Now if you're using large decos but you want to put it in your planner and look minimalist still, what you can do is you should write first and then place your decos around what you have written or plan to write. So those are the larger stickers down, and I'm going to add 2 more stickers here. I'm just going to use this little snack one for a decorative effect. And this is the last deco we will be putting down, and I'm going to actually cut this a little bit more just so it would fit into that space that I'm putting it onto. I think these stickers are super cute. And this is the page done with just a little bit more trimming. And as you can see, it's very cute, but also it's very minimalist still, and still quite functional. So here it is close up. I'm very happy with this spread. I wouldn't normally put this much deco sticker on my pages, but this is a special week, and I'll see you in my next video.